Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
This should be an exciting affair, and along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski, set to bring you all the commentary here on EA Sports. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Team Denmark's on the attack, and that's picked off. He might have a step here. He's in the clear. Great save. Great defensive play to break it up. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Sweden's got it on the line. Picked up along the wall by Bjorkstrand. And look at this, a 3-on-1. And that one's turned away. Moves it to Bjorkstrand. Oh, catches him in the open ice. Team Sweden's in now. From against the wall, it's centered out. Right to the middle. Here's a chance. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. Moves it quickly over to Ehlers. Oh, he'll want to have that one back.
Wayne Gretzky says 100% of the shots you don't take don't go in. Same for the ones that miss the net.
Denmark's won the faceoff. Takes the feed at the back end. Takes the feed. What a great read, breaking up the pass. They've got numbers. Moves the puck. Saucer pass. Quick feed to Landeskog. Can't hang on after that hit. Here's a short pass to Landeskog with the stop. Nice pass. Russell swinging the puck through center ice. Russell's carrying it ahead. And that slides right out to center ice. Trying to lose the defender. What a stop on the breakaway.
He waits for the first move, lets the shooter make it, and then shuts it down.
Too much congestion blocks the shot. Jensen's been brought down, and we're going to get a penalty here. Moves the puck along the half wall. He scores!
Well, I don't think anybody's really settled into the game yet, and already we have the game's first goal. This is why you keep your head on a swivel. Defensively, you've got to find where the open man is. Otherwise, you've got a guy standing there pounding a one-timer from the high slot.
Team Denmark's got a 1-0 lead, and they've got their crowd on their feet here.
Early on, the entertainment is here. Early lead for the home team, the first goal in the first 5 minutes, and now you push for another.
Scored by number 4.
Takes the feed.
Assisted by number 36.
Lowers the boom with that hit. Sends the pass down low. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Sweden's got the puck behind the net. Nylander's got it across the line. Into the corner. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Rocked on the play. Denies him with the save. And it's a quick pass to Dahlin. Hard blast. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. They've got the defense outnumbered. Quick pass to Christensen. Hammers it on net. And that shot dies in traffic. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Slides the puck down low. Handles the puck at the point. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. Moves it to Klingberg. Lets it fly. Comes up with the stop.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Team Sweden's got the lead in shots. Nevertheless, they still trail here in the first. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Tries to get it over to Christensen. Slides the puck over. Along the half wall with the puck. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
I didn't like that play at all, James. That's got to go back behind the net where it's safer. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. Backstrom's off to the box. 2 minutes for tripping.
Fishing around for the puck, and he gets his stick into the player's feet. When he goes down, it's an obvious call.
Denmark's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Well, here's our first power play of the game. You'd love to score on your first one if you get the chance, because that helps the power play become more confident. More confident always means more successful.
6 minutes, 58 seconds.
Puts it towards the net, denied by the goaltender. Taken along the wall by Bjorkstrand. Great reflexes, another save.
Quick work, he makes 1 and 2 saves in a row.
Backlund's gonna play it against the half wall. Moves it quickly over to Carlson. Great defensive stick work on the play. Team Denmark's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Gets it out of his own end. From their own end, trying to kickstart this power play. Into the offensive end now. Quick feed to Ehlers. On the backhand, stopped by the goaltender. And he slides it quickly to Ehlers. Oh, and another big stop.
Yeah, pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the 2 stops back-to-back.
Still lots of time left in the period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Off the draw, he ties up his opponent. Carlson's lugging the puck. Puck sent over to Zibanejad. Puck picked up in the open ice. And he slides it quickly to Russell. And a solid effort by the penalty killers as we are back to even strength.
You're always angry when you don't score on the power play, but 80% of the time you don't. Yet it becomes really frustrating when you let one slip away.
Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Here's a short pass to Russell. Now a quick pass to Jensen. Sends a pass over.
Jensen's dangerous in the offensive zone. He's got it now, and he's already got the go-ahead goal. Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
Nielsen's won the draw. Here he is with the backhander. Big time stop. Now he takes it over the line. Unloads it. Comes up with the glove save. Here in the back half of this period, 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Puck sent across the blue line. Off target. Denmark's got the puck in the defensive end. Here he is in close. A simple stop with the glove by Lundqvist.
Sharp reaction save.
Pedersen's won it off the faceoff. Pass across to Nylander. Handles the puck. Turns it away. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
Christensen's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Carries it in. Sweden's got it behind the net. Quick pass to Pedersen. Team Denmark's got the puck in their own end. Moves it around along the half wall. Putting the hard hat on here. What a hit. Blocker save.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
More than half the period has expired. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Puck picked up by Jensen. Taken by Ehlers. Thunderous hit.
Well, that's inevitable. He had his head down, got hit so hard he dropped his stick. Now he's got to go pick it up before he can join the play again.
That's why coaches say keep your head up, right?
That's one of the reasons. That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Slides it across to Russell. On the attack along the boards. Team Sweden's gained possession along the boards. Carries it across the line. And now he moves it quickly to Klingberg. And now it's grabbed by Nielsen. Puck grabbed by Boddicker. Takes a shot with the stop. Sweden's got control of it now from their own end. Here's an odd man rush. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Takes the pass. Nielsen's got it along the boards. Looks to make a play over to Backstrom. Slides into Backstrom. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And now he tries to get it across to Forsberg. Puck scooped up by Lindholm. A little banging and crashing now. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the feed. Throws it on goal. Just wide. Glove save and the play continues. Sends it down low. Takes that pass back at the point. Moves the puck. Looks to get the puck over to Carlson. Forsberg's got it in the offensive zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Makes the save on the slapper. And off the save, that one's redirected out of play.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Getting into the later stages of this period, 1-0 the score. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And makes the save. Along the wing up the neutral zone. On the doorstep, and a stick in the lane ends that threat. Slides the puck ahead to Landeskog. Oh, he'll feel that one. Here's a chance. Sends one up to Bjorkstrand. Here's a rocket of a shot, and he comes up with a big-time save on that. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. There's the whistle. Let's get the official decision. I know he doesn't like the call on this one. Nobody does, but I think he has a case here, Ray.
Well, it looked like the penalty was going to be called, and then it got sold even more so. So that's a hooking call that he doesn't really like.
Sweden sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, you hope they're ready for this opportunity, James, as it shows up as they're trailing by one. Now they get a man advantage and a chance to tie this game up.
Team Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Steen's got it into offensive territory. Sends it across, and he completely misses the net.
Sometimes you look at video, he doesn't want to see that again.
And manages to clear the zone. Sweden's got the puck along the wall. And it's a quick pass to Landeskog. Landeskog's got the puck. Centering pass! Knocked away. Gets it out of his own end. Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. Sweden's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Some great thievery in the open ice. Smart defensive play there. Battling for it along the boards. From the left side into the middle of the neutral zone. And a great job by the shorthanded unit those last few moments as the penalty expires.
You work so hard to get yourself back in the game, you earn a power play, and then you fail to cash in. So they still trail by one. The game will continue at even strength.
Here in the late goings of the period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Winding down the final minute of this opening frame. Oh, what a beautiful glove save!
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice.
Team Sweden's down despite numerous scoring opportunities here late in the first. Pettersson's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Denies him in front. Sweden's down, but not out. They've had chances. They just haven't capitalized. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. Team Sweden still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And he makes the save. Denmark's got the puck along the boards. Moves it to Eller. And he slides it quickly to Bjorkstrand. Big hit.
Well, he's going to have to pick himself up, but then he's got to go get his twig, which is slid all the way over there before he can get back into play.
The horn sounds in the first period comes to an end. A lone goal's the difference so far through the first 20. It's a 1-0 game.
Playoff game, our top score brings you our item of the game. Stay warm and stylish here at the rink.
As both teams get a breather, so will we. We'll take a quick pause for the cause.
At any team store here in the arena, pick up your best price item of the game. Our starting price is just $10. Hurry, as supplies are limited.
Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Second period set to go. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. One period. He scores! There's one from Philip Forsberg.
Well, the goaltender thinks he's got the whole net covered. This beats him just inside the post.
Sweden's to even things up here to start this second period.
Nobody seems to be able to get the upper hand here. I've been really impressed with how well played this has been.
Backstrom's won the draw here in the neutral zone. Slides the puck to Backstrom. Pass back to the point. Moves it quickly over to off the post. Puts a little mustard on the hit to knock the puck loose. Just wide of the net. Team Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Nice pass.
I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well, but now they've got it and they can run around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
Bjorkstrand's got it along the wing. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Backstrom's taking it from his own end. And he slides it quickly to Carlson. Here's a blast! Off a stick. There's the whistle as the puck heads out of play. Lots of time left in this period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Zibanejad's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Now a quick pass to Landeskog. Takes the feed. Here's a chance out front. Stick save from the goaltender.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Takes it across the blue line. With possession along the wall. Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. And now he moves it quickly to Zibanejad. Dumps it into the other end. Denmark's got the puck along the wall. Russell's got it against the boards. Right in the slot. Snaps it onto the net. Big chest save as he gobbled that one up with the trapper.
Nielsen's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. Moves it to Nylander. Here's a shot denied by the goaltender. Battle along the boards. Picks it off in the offensive end. Over the line they come. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Big hit. And the puck escapes the zone, and they'll be forced to tag up. Quick feed to Nylander. And that one's stopped.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Receives the pass. Good hit. Shoots it on the backhand. Rings the iron. And now it's over to Eriksson. Eriksson's got it on the offensive end. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Here's a pass down low. And it's a quick pass to Silverberg. Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Sends the pass over. Here's a short pass to Silverberg. And he slides it quickly to Eriksson. Slides the puck over. Drives it to the front of the net. Stopped by the goaltender. Quick pass to Silverberg. Here's a chance right in the slot. And that one's broken up. Grabbed along the boards by Jensen. Here they come on the attack. And he slides it quickly to Christensen. From the slot, wrist shot. He gets a piece of it with a stick.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save. He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Still lots of time left here in this frame. It's all tied up. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Carlson swooping in on the attack. Shot stopped by the goaltender. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. And that goes off a player in front. Moves it to Christensen. Moves the puck along the half wall. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Carlson. And there's the save. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Bjorkstrand. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Shot. Grabs him with the glove. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Quick feed to Nylander. And now he moves it to Hedman. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. And he comes up with it. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Here's a short pass to Hedman. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. Here comes the official's call. The good old-fashioned hook is sending him off to the box.
He's almost in the right position, but he's got to give him a little hook. When he gives that tug, he goes to the penalty box and gets called every time.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Easiest thing in the world, James. Tell somebody else to relax. The power play hasn't scored yet. They're not relaxed, and it's not easy to do, but that's the key to success.
Nielsen's carrying it ahead. Into the corner of the attacking area. Makes the save. Through center along the wing. Here's a shot, and a great save. And manages to clear the zone. Team Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Quick pass to Steen. Sends a pass over. Turns him away. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Puck picked up by Hedman. Puts it on net. Stopped by the blocker.
If you're going to leave a rebound, it might as well be 30 feet away from the net. That's a really good stop because the puck's out of danger.
Moves it to Eriksson. Eriksson's got it across the line. Oh, gets a glove on it to make the stop. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Scooped up along the wall by Pettersson. And the PK unit keeps them in there. Impressive kill keeping this one tied.
Now the pressure ramped up on the penalty kill there as they go into that last power play tied. They do a really nice job. They keep the game knotted as the power play wasn't able to cash in.
Moves the puck into the attacking area. Shot. He scores! They take the lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand. These are fun goals to score. You read that the goaltender's dropping into the butterfly, and you know you're going top shelf. You beat him over the glove. It feels great.
Sweden's given themselves control of this game now with a one-goal lead in the second.
They'd like to get another before they go in for the second intermission. You'd love at least a couple goal lead going into period 3.
Drills them.
By number 77, Victor Hedman.
Handles the puck.
Elias Pettersson. Time of the goal, 10 minutes.
Back at the point, they set it up. Shot answers the call with a big save. Now a quick pass to Landeskog. Slides it across. Comes up with the stop. Team Sweden's gained possession along the boards. And now he angles it across to Klingberg and makes the save.
Like that save as he was able to deflect it to the corner.
Here they are on the attack. To his teammate. And now he passes up to Ehlers. Picked up along the boards by Klingberg. From the left wing, takes the feed. Moves it quickly over to Steen. Takes the pass. And that one's turned away. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Quick feed. He scores! Well, when it rains, it pours.
Man, they are just coming out in buckets right now as they get 3 straight. Really a dominating performance. A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
Sweden's put themselves in the driver's seat on the back 9 of this game here, Ray. They've been impressive so far tonight.
They have been, and nothing should change from their perspective. They have to be ready. I'm sure their opponents are going to put together a pretty strong push.
And now he tries to get it across to Christensen.
Time of the goal.
Looks to set up at the point now. Here's a short pass to Jensen. A chance on goal with the stop.
Oh, well done by the goaltender here, James. He makes the save, but he deflects it away at the same time.
Puts it on net, and that's off the iron. Picked up along the wall by Nylander. And now it's over to Pedersen. Comes up with the stop. Up along the wing. Along the half wall with the puck. And the puck skips out of the zone. They'll have to regroup. Team Sweden's got it in the neutral zone. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And that goes off a player. Takes the feed. Stops it with a paddle.
High-quality chance, high-quality save.
Sweden's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Jensen's won a big draw on their own end. Stopped by the goaltender. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. Been a pretty good offensive display, at least for one side. 3-1 is where we sit. Backlund's won the draw. And now he moves it quickly to Silverberg. Denied by the goaltender. Team Sweden's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Carries it in. Hammers a shot. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Sweden's got the puck behind the net. Centering pass. Puts it on net from the point. Too much traffic in the lane. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Quick pass to Carlson. Coughs up the puck after that hit. Forsberg's taken down to the ice. We got a penalty coming up. And it's a quick pass to Forsberg. Nothing doing. Let's get the call here. Pretty cut and dry trip on that play.
Coaches will tell you, be careful with your stick, but you're trying to get the puck. I don't think a lot of times they do it intentionally.
Time for the power play unit to get back to work.
Oh, here's another power play, James. They haven't been very good so far tonight. Nothing to show for their previous attempts. So now you have to get back to it, adjust, and re-attack on this man advantage.
And manages to clear the zone. Carlson's got the puck in his own zone. Sends it over with the stop. Takes the feed at the point.
Forsberg's hungry for that third one. He's got 2. He took that quick little pass. Now he's a dangerous player.
And he gains the zone here. Great hit on the play. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Team Denmark's got a hold of the puck. Moves the puck and makes the save. Grabs the puck in the slot. Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Gets it out of his own end. Sweden's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Both teams back to even strength. Really nice effort by the penalty-killing unit on that one.
That power play was a lot of window dressing. They had the puck in the offensive zone, but really didn't generate a whole lot. The penalty killers must be pretty happy with that. Team Sweden's not stopped being on the body since the beginning of this period. They are crashing into every guy they can. They've now got the lead.
Team Sweden's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Oh, how did he come up with that stop? Move to the middle. Moves it to Sabinashad. Taken by Eller. He carries the puck up along the wing. Back to the blue line. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Quick pass across to Nylander. Nice pass. Too many bodies in the way. And now it's grabbed by Bjorkstrand. Lets it fly. Moves it quickly over to... Scores! It's in the back of the net.
James, when they look at the film tomorrow, that's not going to look very good. That's a pretty bad error that led to that goal against.
Team Denmark's got a chance to change the complexion of this game now with that one.
Yeah, get one, now they're within one. Don't take a step back. Push forward. Look for the equalizer.
And he slides it quickly to Eller. Denmark's got the puck along the wall. Sweden's got the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's the pass. Rips it on net. And with just seconds to spare, they get a goal here to close things out.
You got to look at it from both ways. That's a real kick in the pants for the team that gave up the goal. But what a boost of energy for them to score this late in the period. Oh, he tried to make a desperation save there, but he gets beat. Not much else he could do.
Team Sweden's goal here late in the second has to take a ton of wind out of the sails from their opposition here.
I don't see how it couldn't. You're only one down, you feel pretty good about yourself. Now you're down two. It's a pretty tough spot to be.
Looks to pass it to Christensen.
Assisted by number 23.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat.
57. Time of the goal, 19 minutes.
Hammers it. Big time stop there. Horn sounds, bringing the second period to an end. 4-2 is where we sit after 40 minutes of play.
Now's your chance to play clean. Join us in our arena as the first sports and entertainment facility in the entire country to use 100% renewable energy. Drop your plastic cups, bottles, and clean paper products in the Play Clean recycling bin.
Don't go anywhere. Third period is coming up, and it's coming up next.
And keep our city clean.
Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. Well, we've got two periods under our belts to this point so far, Ray. How do you see things?
Team Denmark's been chasing this game and chasing the puck much of the first two periods. If they're going to get back in it, they've got to possess the puck a lot more.
And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. We've got ourselves a 4-2 hockey game. Off the try, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Gets in front of it. And he slides it quickly to Bjorkstrand. Uses the force on that hit. Angles it over to Lindholm. Tries to get the puck to Forsberg. Tried to get too cute with it and loses possession.
That's going to be frustrating for him. He was in a position to deliver the puck, but he lost it.
Lindholm's got it in the defensive end. Backstrom's got it into offensive territory. Backstrom's going to play it against the half wall. Simple stop by Anderson.
Quick glove hand here. He gets the glove out to make the stop. Larson's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Sweden's outplayed the opposition tonight, particularly offensively, as they lead it early in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And there it is, but wait a second, they're waving this one off.
I don't think this should count either, James. The play is waved off immediately. Ekman Larsson's not going to be very happy with this. They've waved this off. This looks pretty clearly like goalie interference.
Well, nobody likes having a goal called back, but they'll just have to play on as the puck's about to drop. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Moves it around along the half wall. Puck grabbed by Nielsen. Solid hit on that play. Team Sweden's got the puck along the boards. And he makes the save. Takes it across the blue line. Back to the point it goes. Takes a shot. Denied by the goaltender.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Lots of time left in this period. Sweden's been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Carries the puck up through center. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Team Sweden's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Taken along the wall by Jensen. Takes the feed. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end. Moves the puck over to Dahlin. On the attack along the boards. Move to the middle. Makes the stop with the blocker. Moves it over to Dahlin. Puck scooped up by Dahlin. Sweden's ready to go on the attack. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Dahlin's got it in the offensive zone. Coughs up possession of the puck. Receives the pass. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Quick feed to Jensen. Uses the boards with the bank pass. And he came up big on that last opportunity. Team Sweden's done a wonderful job putting a lot of pucks on net, and they lead it early in this third period. Backlund's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Into the offensive zone. Hedman's got it to the side. Hedman's got the puck and tries to make a diagonal pass to Silverberg. Over the line they come. Handles it along the blue line. Now a quick pass to Christensen. Sends the pass over. And that one's stopped.
Lundqvist done nice work here on this scoring chance to turn it aside.
Sweden's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Christensen's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Makes the save with the glove. Team Sweden's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he flashes the leather there to make the stop on a really difficult chance.
Unleashes a cannon! Just wide! Here's a short pass to Russell. Slides it across to Nielsen. Nielsen's got it along the wing. Quick feed down low. Sends it across the ice. With the blast. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Carlson's got it on the offensive end. Wrist shot from the slot. Puts it high.
Yeah, it sounds great. Hit the net, though, you got a better chance to score.
Sweden's gained possession along the boards. They've got numbers. Slides the puck down low. Slides the puck over. And now he moves it quickly to Lindholm. That's blocked. Stopped by the goaltender. Puck picked up by Eller. Here they come on the attack. Dishes it to Landeskog. Grabbed along the boards by Landeskog. Gaining momentum up along the side. Here he is in front. Airmails it.
Did he ever? He's got to bring that down a couple of feet.
And it's a quick pass to Ekman Larsson. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Takes it from the right side. Sweden's got it behind the net. Ekman Larsson's one-on-one with the goaltender. Big time stop.
Nose to nose, the goalie comes out better on this chance.
With possession along the wall. Knocked away. Team Sweden's looking to break out of their own end. Silverberg's got it against the boards. And he slides it quickly to Eriksson. Oh, just a textbook hit. That's dumped in, and they'll get a fresh set of legs out on the ice. Long pass up ahead to center. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. They've got the defense outnumbered. Shot right in front. Blocker save. Loses possession after he takes a little hit. Sends a pass over. Things getting physical now.
Wow, did he lay the wood to him? That's a solid hit.
And he slides it quickly to Klingberg. And there's the save.
Jensen's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
More than half the frame has been played here. It's 4-2. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And he stands tall in goal. Quick pass to Dahlin. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Strong use of the body. Sweden's regained possession of the puck. Moves it to Klingberg.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Handles the puck. Blocked in front. Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Moves the puck along the half wall. Centering pass. And that carries off a stick. Team Denmark's looking to break out. Gets that puck back on a stick. And down he goes as the puck goes free. Trying to get back on the attack now. Now a quick pass to Russell. Delayed penalty coming up here. The goaltender is quickly off to his bench to get the extra attacker out. Moves it quickly over to Eller. And he comes up with it. And there's the whistle. Let's get the call from the official here. Forsberg's going off for charging.
Pretty good call here, James. He just traveled a little bit too far to deliver the hit.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
They've been skunked on the power play so far tonight. So you have a little chat on the bench. Guys, notice some things that the penalty killers do, and you try to adjust one step ahead of them.
Gives them nothing in front.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Sweden's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Huge stick save by the goaltender. And manages to clear the zone. Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Picks it up in the offensive end. Makes the save. Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Jensen's carrying it ahead. Moves right to the middle. The backhand stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Gets it out of his own end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Here's a chance right out in front. Stopped by the goaltender. Getting into the later stages of this period, 4-2 is the score. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Scooped up along the wall by Ehlers. Fires one. Denies him again.
Really good stop. After he made the first one, he's got to find the puck, and he's in position again.
Carlson's on the attack in the offensive zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Quick feed to Carlson. Big save. Taken by Anderson. And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move.
A critical draw here. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Carries it in. Moves it around along the half wall. Can't maintain possession. Centered out in front. Freight train hit.
Bam! That one hurt. What a solid hit.
Forsberg's going to play it against the half wall. Comes up with the stop. He scores! That's the hat trick.
What a great feeling to get 3 goals in a game. Doing it on the road is a real nice trick. He gets in so tight to the goaltender, the goalie's backed up towards the goal line, but he still makes a nifty move, beats him on the backhand.
Team Sweden's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. They gain possession here inside the neutral zone. Sweden's got the puck along the wall. Raquel's picking up steam.
Time of the goal, 16 minutes.
Nice pass.
Seconds.
Centered out in front. Great pad save.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Takes a wrist shot. Denies him.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Great read by the keeper to poke it away. Team Denmark's got the puck along the boards. Carries it across the line. Moves behind the net. Shot. Stones him in front.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Into the offensive end now. Trying to get in all alone. Huge stop on the breakaway.
Oh, you don't get many of these. He's right in on goal, but the goalie's better.
Team Sweden's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Eriksson. Maintains control of the puck. Takes the feed. Wrists one. That's turned aside for the blocker. 57 seconds left. Slides it over with pace to Lindholm. Countdown is on. 52 seconds. 49 seconds to go. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Bodker's got it across the line. Quick pass to Bodker. Here he is from the slot. Misses the net.
You're going to go back and kick yourself for that one because he wants that on the net. He doesn't miss it by much.
And makes the save. Team Denmark's got a hold of it along the wall. On the attack along the boards. Moves it to Jensen. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Denmark's got it from behind the net. Team Denmark's got it in their own zone. Takes a shot. That goes wide.
He misses again. He's had so many chances. He's got nothing to show for it.
And this one is all over as the final horn sounds. Ray, you look at the numbers, and in this case, the numbers don't lie. The better team won this one.
This is one easily you can marry your eye test to the numbers test and say, yeah, they both work. That team deserved to win.
So the analytics crew and the hockey crew could actually see eye to eye on this
They
one.
could actually get along.
On behalf of Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Thanks for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.